Okay, here we come again. Part 2 of the DeLonghi Magnifica. The second series. The two wires, what I talked about. Look, they go inside there. They are for the second eating thing. But look how dangerous this is sitting. Why? I never have seen this in my life before. I opened all kind of machines. Siemens or Bosch, so it's the same. The old Italian machines. Now this is also Italian. I cannot find the name now. It's unbelievable. I didn't smoke yet, so that's why I cannot concentrate. My brains are spinning around as a crazy. This is the other side. Of course, you cannot open the screws because they are so fast that they break. Yeah, okay, that's why you need this one. You cannot go in your life if you have a DeLonghi without your hammer. You need a hammer. You need the hammer. Yeah, okay. This is also a big mess, you can see. It's a strange system. I never have understand this system. But it is working. It's working fine. It is trustworthy. How do you say that in English? That's true, but it is very dirty. It's very quickly, it's not hygienic, this system. But it is working good. That's true. That's true. For that I don't fusilate him. Yeah. Nice. So you can, if you have lucky, maybe, I don't know, aluminium is not burning, eh? No, but your outlet, your switch is going off every time maybe, or because it's swimming in the water, this electrical things, in this 220 volt here in Holland. Yeah, so it's getting. Then you have something to listen at if you are in the kitchen or wherever you have stand this machine. Okay, bye. Now I show you a little bit outside. You can see I live in a kind of Tokkie neighborhood. So, I need a cigarette, but everything is up. Oh, look, they put all kind of things in the grass. How nice. Look there also. This is the neighborhood. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, now, ciao, bye, oi.